The Zondo Commission into State Capture has heard more evidence relating to payments made to shell company Homix. Homix received 36 million rand from Neotel for allegedly facilitating a deal with Transnet. According to Chaten Vaghela, an audit partner at Deloitte, their investigation sought to establish the commercial viability of the fees paid for alleged services rendered.
Vaghela testified that they flagged a payment of 36 million rand excluding VAT made to Homix relating to a master services agreement with Transnet. This was in an effort to establish if there had been work done by the shell company. He said both the Neotel CEO and CFO had no knowledge of Homix or the work they had done. They were later informed that Homix had helped resolve an impasse between Neotel and Transnet in the master services agreement. Vaghela said this led to the suspicion that the payments were nothing but a facilitation fee, which is the payment of fees for work not done.
I think a fee any fee needs to have some sort of activity, and one needs to have done something in order to earn those fees. And whilst there was no acceptance around the alleged facilitation fee, the management could not articulate what was done to earn those fees, and we raised our concern that it would appear we needed more evidence to negate that this isn't a facilitation fee.
Vaghela also testified that the Neotel board was not aware of the payments made to Homix. However, a letter from former Transnet executive Gama suggested that the SOE knew about Homix. He also testified that Neotel executive Francois van der Merwe was fired for committing fraud. He said van der Merwe was responsible for appointing Homix.
Chair, in this instance, we raised an RI on the 14th of July, as if the CEO and the CFO considered all this information that was made available to them subsequent to the inquiries, the dismissing of Francois, the clandestine relationships, they did not exercise due care, skill or diligence in authorizing the consultancy arrangement. They did not make adequate due or adequate inquiries with respect to the actual activity to be performed by the agent.
Vaghela said they had no evidence relating to the commerciality of fees paid to Homix. Mtetwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.